Find the equation of a line whose gradient is 10 and intercepts the x-axis at 3. So let me sketch so that you can see how it looks like. So if you have your Cartesian plane, so I'm assuming this is my x-axis and this one here is my y-axis. Then we have a line whose gradient is 10 and intercepts the x-axis at -3. So negative sides are this side, so we're going to have something like this. So I'm assuming this is -3. So on this one here, the gradient is 10. So I've been told to find the equation of this line. So now from here you can see at x-intercept the value of y here will read 0. So we are saying at x-intercept y coordinate is always 0. So we have a point, we have -3, 0, then we have gradient which is 10. So this, when you have this one, we can use the general equation of a straight line, which is y is equals to mx plus c. So where there is y, we put 0 because this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. Where there is x, we put -3. Where there is m, we have the gradient which is 10. So we just need to find what is c. So we're going to say this will be 0 is equals to m times x. So our m is 10, which is the gradient, times our x. Our x in this case is -3 plus c. So we're going to get that if you add this one, 0 is equals to -30 plus c. So therefore our c will be equals to, if you take 30 the other side, will be +30. So therefore it means now if you go back to that equation of a straight line, which is y is equals to mx plus c, now we know what is c. So we're going to say the equation will be y is equals to m, which is the gradient, 10x plus our c, which is 30, and this will be the equation of that line. Alternatively, you can say for you to get the equation of a straight line, we need 3 things. 1, we need the gradient. 2, we need a point that is passing on that line, and I've said that point will be this point here where x is -3 and the value of y is 0. So this is the point. So you're having -3, 0, and we need a arbitrary point x, y. So now we say gradient is change in y over change in x. So our gradient in our case is 10. So we're going to be 10 is equals to change in y. We start with the arbitrary point. So we're going to be y minus the y coordinate here, which is 0, divided by x minus the x coordinate. The x coordinate is -3. So therefore this is the same as over 1. So if you cross multiply this one, you're going to have y, because y minus 0 is y, is equals to, this side simplified, it is 10 multiplied by this one here. This is x plus 3. So because it is minus, so it is plus 3. So if you simplify this one, we're going to have y is equals to 10x plus 30. And that is another way you can find the equation. Thank you. Let us meet in our next lesson.